You can change the number of lines you scroll when you roll the mouse wheel by one notch. This setting works in Word, Excel, Notepad, and Windows Explorer too. To change the setting, press the Windows and R keys, and then type main.cpl and click on OK. That will bring up the mouse properties window. Click on the Wheel tab. Select the following number of lines at a time radio button, and choose how many lines you want to scroll on rolling the mouse wheel by one notch. The default is 3 lines per notch, but you can configure it to any value from 1 to 100. There is also a setting to scroll one whole page. After making your selection, click on Apply and OK. The number of lines that fit in the active window also controls how many lines it scrolls. For instance, if the number of lines to scroll at a time is set to 10 and the active window can only hold 4 lines, then it will scroll by 4 lines. But if the active window can hold more number of lines than this value, then it will scroll by these number of lines. If you like the content, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.